Hey guys, Rick from 1-800 Board Up. Today we're going to go visit with Liz Aranda from Farmers Insurance to discuss some issues that I've noticed over the last year and a half that I've been on the job. So stick around, come with me, and let's all learn something from her. Today we are visiting Liz Aranda from Farmers Insurance. And Liz, I had a couple questions for you. One of the biggest issues right off the bat is people not having insurance after they pay off their home.
So that's one of our biggest misconceptions. People think that after they pay off their house, that it's okay to remove insurance. And they look at it as, I have insurance because I have to. And they really don't see the value in insurance. You work 30 years to pay off this house. It is your most valuable asset. Why would you risk losing everything to a one-day tragedy? We don't want that. So we do talk to our customers. We make sure that they understand the importance of having insurance even after their home is paid off. One of the things we can offer is to strip down their coverage, even if maybe they can't afford to have all the bells and whistles that the mortgage company was paying for, or they were in reality paying for it in their mortgage payment, but they wouldn't really see it.
Right.
If they want to save a little bit more money, we can insure at least the structure and the roof.
Okay, so the second point I want to touch on is people being underinsured. I'm really not sure how that happens. You're the expert, but I've seen where people don't have enough coverage. So how can they avoid that? Should they have a checkup every so often? How does Farmers work as far as that goes?
Okay, so our company, what we do offer a farmers-friendly review, which comes with the renewal. So once you get your renewal, we send out emails, phone calls just to go over the coverage, make sure that they understand what is covered and what is not covered. Okay. One of the biggest differences in coverage is replacement cost value and actual cash value. What you always want to see replacement cost value on all of the wording on your declarations pages. Okay. What that means is that your property is going to be replaced at today's market value with no depreciation. So in case of a loss, you do have to pay your deductible up front, but you get paid at today's market value, as opposed to an actual cash value policy, which does factor in depreciation. So, at the end of the day, you get an actual cash value claim, it's going to be a lot less than what you expected.
So Liz, the third one is, that I want to talk about is renter's insurance. Mm-hmm. I've come across many instances where people are renting, whether it's an apartment or a home, and the home might be covered, and people assume that they've got coverage because the home is covered, but I know that's not true. Mm-hmm. So what can we tell our renters out there how important it is to have renter's insurance?
Renter's insurance is actually very, very affordable, Rick. If I had to throw out a number, I'd say about $20 a month for a $20,000 personal property coverage. Okay. Another thing that renter's insurance covers is personal liability. So we want to make sure that if something happens to somebody in your home, you are technically liable for that. You can get sued. Now, as far as personal property goes, you want to make sure that all your personal belongings are covered. Like you said, in case of a fire, anything like that happens, the structure is covered by the homeowner, but you as a renter need to make sure that you cover your own personal belongings.
So there you have it, guys. Some good information from Liz at Farmers Insurance. Liz, I want to thank you for inviting us to your office. Mm-hmm. Where can they call you, I guess, is just, you want to give your information as to how people can get hold of you?
Of course. We're located in Far East El Paso. Our address here is 12400 Montwood, Suite Q. Our phone number is 915-771-7717. Thank you so much, Rick, for doing this.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bringing awareness to everybody out there.
Thanks for having us.